Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share, and this is basically for Miss Donna DreamsX3 and Miss Judy from my Scrapbook Loft here on YouTube. So they have a monthly swap where they each alternate each month, and what they do is set up a theme and you just send in what they ask for. So this month is Miss Judy from my Scrapbook Loft's turn, and she was asking for tickets. So I went ahead and went a little bit plain. I did not want to overdo it. I didn't want to like bulky it up or anything, just to cut down on postage. I've noticed some of the postage is it's getting pretty expensive. I know Miss Donna's been sending back, and I know that last month she didn't ask for much because she was thinking of a plain, and somehow she ended up, I thought she overpaid. Honestly, I so thought she overpaid for what she sent me back, and I was like, what? I wasn't happy. I was not happy. I know I haven't emailed her and told her, but I do owe her some money because I only sent the flat mail what I was thinking. So I need to get in contact with her. Sorry you guys, I had to ramble on because I think postage, I don't know, her postage is becoming very expensive. So I'm like reconsidering doing these swaps for that reason. I don't want them to pay out of pocket. That's not fair for them because they're doing this out of the kindness of their heart, and you know, we send in some money. Some of us do send some more, which I usually send my postage because I never have cash on hand, so I usually like to send my postage. So sorry for my rambling on, you guys. Sorry Miss Judy and sorry Miss Donna. It was supposed to be a project share and it's becoming a rant. So sorry. Anyway, so let me go ahead and continue so you guys could see what I created. So I went ahead and created these. Aren't they so cute? So I bought a digital a few months back. Sometimes what is it? AC Digitals has, AC Digitals has a 3-pack for special price, and this pack had oh my gosh, it had a Maggie Holmes. I don't remember which one it was. It had a Oasis and it had some other one. So I got it, and then I finally got a printer, you guys. I'm so excited. I finally got a printer. So so I started printing away my digitals. Yes. So on that Oasis digital, I did not realize that it had Palm Springs ephemera. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am from the Palm Springs area. I've lived there for most of my life. Not exactly in Palm Springs, but of course it's within like 30 minutes away from where we used to live. So excited. So look, it has Palm Springs, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I was so excited. So anyways, so yeah, so I went ahead and created these. These are some of the stickers that Miss Judy from my Scrapbook Loft sent me a while back, and I was like, oh my gosh, they would work perfect because it's a little vintagey. The Palm Springs is a little vintagey, and whoa. So I created these. I'm on my last one. I gotta finish this one off. I didn't want to put bling. I wanted to make it flat. So yeah, there you go. And I'm so excited to send these out to them. Oh, I don't know. I just found out how these came out. So anyways, this might be my last swap with them. I'm not too sure. See how things go. I'm hoping not. I love doing these swaps. These are amazing. It's just the cost. It just hurts me that they are paying out of pocket. And yeah, it should be my responsibility to send them more. But you know, sometimes when you know, kind of, I'm a rule follower. If somebody tells me to do something a certain way, I kind of do it that way. I kind of, unless I don't like it, I do it differently. So if somebody send me this, I'll probably just send that and not everything else. I don't think ahead. Sorry, you guys. Anyways, again, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. Hopefully you guys like what I created. If you have not been a subscriber of mine and you're just stepping in, I do apologize for my rant, but I do hope you subscribe onto my channel. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.